Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the graduates. Why? Because the most of the graduates are having the dream to work with the Tata Consultancy Services, that is the TCS. So based upon that one, here the TCS also providing one wonderful opportunity to the graduates to work with them on the name of Smart Hiring Process. Okay, and here the Smart Hiring Process registration is already started and the closing date is there soon, guys. So before finishing the online application process, so just hurry up and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who wants to work with the TCS. It will be the wonderful opportunity. And if your job requirements are not there in this video, then please mention your job requirements in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this Tata Consultancy Services Smart Hiring Process 2021. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30. And while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGCNET online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of the Tata Consultancy Services. Okay, so that you may check down, and here you just go to the careers, guys. And I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. Fine, so you need not to set separately in the official website. And here you may check down smart careers and greater futures. Okay, and it is the smart hiring process, that is a TCS smart hiring registration open for 2020 to 2022 graduates. And in that smart hiring process, here you may check down that apply today is there. So click on that apply today, and then you will be directed to the page, guys. So here you may check down the registration ending date is 2nd November 2021 and the test date, that means there will be one written test as well as the interview also. So the test date is 19th November 2021 onwards, and the interview date to be announced after getting the results of the written test. Okay, so still 12 days or 14 days are there. So all the interested candidates, and please share this video also to your friends or colleagues. Okay, and here the registration process going on. So if you want to register, just click on this one. But before we will check the details, what is the eligibility conditions. So about TCS smart hiring for the year of passing 2020, 21 as well as the 22. Fine. And the candidates who passed in 2020 as well as the 2021 are facing the so many issues. Okay, in the outside, why? Because due to the corona. Okay, so the colleges or the universities pass the students, so that's why getting the less opportunity. So in order to avoid all these barriers, here the TCS is providing the wonderful opportunity. So please utilize this. And the TCS Smart Hiring is exclusively for the BCA and BSc, Maths, Statistics, Physics, Chemistry, Electronics, Biochemistry, Computer Science, IT, and Bachelor of Vocation in Computer Science, IT from the year of passing 2020-22. Okay. And the students who perform exceptionally during our TCS Smart Hiring selection process will get an opportunity to join the TCS Ignite and the TCS Unique Science to Software program. This program trains you on the trending technologies and will open the doorway to holistic and the global IT career for you. Okay, that means they will provide you the wonderful training if you once selected in this procedure. And after once getting the trained, you will get the certificate also, and you can by using the certificate, you can get the job very much easily, and you can try within the TCS itself also. Fine. And application process for the TCS Smart Hiring process. So log on to the TCS Next Step portal. So click on here. I will provide this PDF, this website link in the description box of this video, guys. Okay. So register and apply for the TCS Smart Hiring process. And if you are a registered user, just log in. And if you're a new user, register and then choose category as IT and proceed to fill up your details. Submit your application form and click on the apply for drive and select your mode of test also, in center or remote. Remote means you can appear the exam through online basis. In center means whatever the centers the TCS is providing, you have to go to that center and then write down. Okay. And to confirm your status, track your application and the status reflected applied for drive. Okay. And few important notes are also given here. You must have all the original academic documents as applicable mark sheets and the degree certificates. And the communication related to a test will be shared you by the TCS Ion Digital centers. And the test mode once selected at the time of apply for a drive cannot be changed later. And the TCS doesn't send any job offers or else any hiring related communication from unofficial email IDs, and the TCS doesn't request candidates to deposit any money, and TCS is not at all associated with the external agency or the companies. Right? And if you want any assistance for this one, here the TCS help desk team is also supporting you. Here the email ID is there as well as the toll-free number is also there. So if you are having any queries regarding this smart hiring process, then you may contact this number or else you may put a query to this provide mail ID. Fine. So please share this video as much as possible to the graduates who passed in between 2020 to 22 guys. It will be the wonderful and immense opportunity to them. And if your requirement is not there or else if your subjects are not there here, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If you got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Or else if you are looking for the job consultancies, here the Your Mentor also providing the online job consultancy. One Google form I kept in the description box of this video. So just fill up that form by paying the registration fee of only 100 rupees. Then whatever the jobs you are looking for, we will search on behalf of you and we will directly send those job notifications to your registered mail ID in the Google form. Okay. So it is the information that I want to provide. So all the best to all of you guys. Thank you very much and bye. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay. And from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the Plus subscription and second one is the Iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the Plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the Plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys.